Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So guys, it's a pleasant weather. It seems like it's gonna rain, as you can see. So I have come to Cornish for my daily routine. I come here for cycling, and as the weather is pleasant, I can't resist myself from taking videos.
Hey, that's a date palm over there. Dates are tied in a bag to protect from birds and insects. And that is Lulu Island over there. And that's Marina Mo. The weather is extremely pleasant, and this kind of weather works wonders on our senses. Be it a small kid, an adult, or an elderly person, everyone enjoys rain. So guys, we have a heat storm. You can see the rain, and then it started to rain suddenly, and we were enjoying a lot. And you can see I drenched my clothes.